Bon, ok. Bonsoir tout le monde.
Bonsoir.
Non, pas c'est Vidho Lorville. Vidho, V-I-D-H-O, Lorville, L-O-R-V-I-L-L-E. Donc, qui ça, moi, je suis artiste. Je suis artiste, c'est qu'on s'est écrit en français. A-R-T-I-S-T-E. Et puis, moi, je viens là avec deux artistes qui sont avec moi. Monsieur Sarr et Ronald, Cadet. Cadet. Et monsieur Sarr et Alf Florestal. Mais nous parlons de monsieur Ralph. C'est A-L-P-H, Ralph Florestal. F-L-E-U-R-I-S-T-A-L. Ok. Même carré de monsieur Sarr, Ralph. Ok? P-H. Ok. So, nous tous ces artistes mouillés, on va mettre là avec S.
Okay. Yeah, the question.
When you're done to draw a picture, when you're done, you can explain it?
Yes, you can explain it as well. Absolutely. Yes, sir?
Can you draw when the tornado just start?
The what?
Can you draw the earthquake when it starts?
Yes, we can. It can be happen.
It's something good.
And you use it to do something good. You know, you use it to aware people about what happened, to tell them how, like, you know, you survived that bad things and now you're alive and you're doing well. You see? You can tell them, you see, and all of that is important because now that you leave that and you survive, you know what I mean? You show everybody else that in case something like that happened again, the experience of survivor with them. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. More and less, this is a guy cutting a tree, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, everybody can start now doing their drawing. And if you go as quick enough, we're going to start painting after that.
I have a question.
Yes.
No, should I
No, she's already.
Sabar bilang sabar mine.
He read my mind. I was about to say the exact same. You told me to make your hair look beautiful. She made me have this.
What should we do?
Yes. She's not a very nice girl.
But how can she make you do something? That's what I forget.
I'm done. Fais photo.
Est-ce que vous avez marché ou bien habillé nous? Sous le vitier, non? Something bad. You should Okay.
Then it's like she made me do it. You're such a bad bastard. Oh, yeah, go get it. Excuse me. Oh, yes, it's not good.
Ini Bron.
You was standing mad close. Don't. Wow. What's it doing? Okay. Oh, you don't want to spin them? Oh, sorry. I know. You don't know.
Use what happened, use your experience of what happened to do something good, to get something good out of it. That's what I want you to leave here with in the last word. I don't know if the artists have to say something quick. Je ne sais pas si artiste a envie de dire l'autre bagage parce que vous allez à Haïti. Vous allez à Haïti mardi, l'autre va à Haïti le 9. Donc, je vais dire bagage avec. Nous n'avons pas encore, il y a tout encore. Donc, je vais dire nos bagages.
Bon, ça me dit nous, rester positif, toujours aimer l'école, toujours aimer lire, toujours apprendre.
moi ajouter, comme moi, nous intéressés avec le dessin, nous avons senti que nous-mêmes là, avec plusieurs artistes. Donc, nous avons souhaité que nous tous accentuer sur ça et nous sommes capables de jouer une ville là, nous sommes capables de jouer une là pour nous féliciter.
Ok, merci un peu tout le monde et puis j'espère ouais nous encore. Merci pour patience nous et puis passons une bonne soirée. Mes parents rappellent tellement.
Can you ask her, Vidho? Can you ask her what she learned today?
Huh?
Ask her.
What did you learn today? Huh? What did you learn today? Did you learn how to paint? Yes. What did you paint?
Yeah, look at